Hello everybody and welcome back to my ASMR channel. First of all, thank you so much for being here again and watching my videos. Today I have a very interesting one and it's about books, but not any kind of book. Not any kind of book. Very nice and special books. Let me show you. So lately I am creating my own journals. I was thinking to create a couple more to sell them to someone who likes to write and who loves writing on journals. So I was thinking, why not make a couple of them just to sell them. So, and I have to tell you guys that I found a pretty amazing books that I am almost very sad to tear them on and to probably destroy them, but it will be for the journals. So let me show you what amazing books that I found. And I have these 4 books. I will start with this one, which is the Mozart book. This book was $2.99 and I choose this book because it has the most amazing images. Look how beautiful that this can be used for journals. It's just amazing. I really love it. I really like it. And the book has a lot of images like that. This book is about the life of Mozart, and I love the classical music, so I don't want to rip this book, but I mean, there is other books like this. There is copies of these books in, I am sure, in the library or in another store. I'm going to use this one to do my journals. So look how cute is this. It's really amazing, the images that I found here, and I am really happy about. Look how nice is this. It's so pretty, guys. So pretty. Look this. Wow. And what I love the most is that it has color. It's not black, white and black, which is okay too, but I mean, if you find images like this but in color, is even better. So yeah, guys, I'm very happy. Look how nice is this piano. This can be something like, just guys, I love it. Look this. Oh, it's just amazing. Look this picture, the little Mozart. So this video is, I love no. So there is a lot of images that can be used for a journal who has this style, and I love it. Really, the images I fell in love with this book, so that's why I don't even wanna tear the pages or something, because this book is pretty unique. I found it. I mean, because it's a small book, and it tells you all the story of Mozart, and I don't know, it seems like it's a nice book. And yeah, so here we have more images here and here. So I also have in this kind of paper a couple of images like this, and I am very pleased. I am very happy with this found. Okay, so that's for this one. Now this is another book that I found. Look how beautiful is this cover. OMG, this is amazing. Look how cute is this. And this book was $3.99, but the cover is just, when I saw this cover I say I have to get this book. This book will sell so fast. If I transform this book in a journal, it will be just so beautiful. So even this first page is very cool. What I was thinking to do with this is to do the journal on the top of pages. So meaning that maybe I won't rip the cover from the book. I will just take off some of the pages from here, and then I will, in a couple of pages, I will add some decors, envelopes, embellishments, and stuff like that I can make a nice journal. So I like this book because of his cover, and also for a couple of images, and I love that it's very like strong and pretty nice. So I'm very happy about this. Then okay, this is pretty much amazing, guys. So the title of this book is On the Home Front, and as you can see, it has this beautiful antique vintage picture of this little boy, and yeah, watching airplanes and playing here or something. And this book was only $1.29, so less expensive than the other small book, which look how small it is compared to this big one. And you know what, here I found more images than in the others. So let me show you. So here it says that this book is about all things that Canadians were reading between 1939 to 1945. And it contains over 450 illustrations. So when I saw this, I was, oh my god, this book. When I found this book, I was so excited, and I was right to be excited, because just let me show you. So look at the first page, you have this image. Look how nice is this. Oh my gosh, when I saw this book, I was so amazed. And yeah, it has tickets, it has all the collage all the letters, all the old newspapers. Look here, this Toronto Daily Star and journal. And oh my gosh, when I saw this I was very happy. So it has this kind of images, pictures, and wow. So these pages, so this will be amazing for a journal. So one thing that I cannot do with this is to reproduce them because of the copyright of these books. This meaning that if I do a copy of these images and I want to sell it, I cannot, because of the copyright law, which I think before 1922 you can do that, but after 1922 you cannot do that. But I can use these pages for sure, because once you buy the book, it's yours. But once you take these pages, then you put it in the journal, and that's in the journal, you know. Like even if I cannot make copies to reproduce these and have more papers for me and for my journals, I still love this. I am happy that I found this book, because it means that I can find more books like this. And yeah, I was very happy. One thing that I was thinking I can do is just go to the library, and this is for all the people that like to have journals and make journals and everything, and you cannot reproduce, and you are not allowed to make copies of images from books and whatever. You can do that. You can go to the library and look for all books who are made before, which say copyright before 1922, and like that you can reproduce them how many you want, and there is no problem. So yeah, but look, this one is a smoke publicity, and yeah, I think this one is for the, I think, if I am not wrong, this is after the war, the second war. So after the soldiers come back home and women keep working and also be more independent. So as you can see here in this page, women are working here, you know. This is a woman who is watching a picture. This is another woman working, like after war book, you know. And I love, because you see the stamps, and I love it. Even if I don't reproduce, what I can do is that I can draw myself an images. That's a good idea. I think I can do. Look, these images. Wow, this is incredible. And wow, like all the publicity. I love this. Wow, it looks so nice. I love that it's in color. This picture. Come on, Canada. Over there. This is real pictures. Wow, this is nice. This is nice. I love this. I am sure that if you do journals, you will love to have a book like this. You're probably jealous. No, joking. So nice. I would love to find these kinds of books. Wow, this is beautiful pictures. I love how they do their hair in that time. Very nice, very feminine, very delicate. Look this. For a journal, this is perfect. Calendars, pictures, journal, newspaper. Even what is this? Airplane model. And that's it, guys, for this book. I think this is amazing. And then this is a letter for another book, I think. And yeah, guys, so that's and this baby fighting 1943. I love that. This book's so cool. I'm going to use it and I'm pretty excited about this. My last book is this cute book, which was $3.99, and the name is A Baby Journal. So of course I'm going to use it for a baby journal because the pictures are just the cutest pictures. And yeah, I love the pictures, how they draw the images, and also these pages I can use for sure. And it has here everything is in English, so that's good. It can be a journal, international journal. It doesn't have to be a French journal. And here you have everything, so I'm going to use these pages for sure. Look this. And this, so cute. So cute. I love the images. How this is pretty cool. Aww. Even it has a song here that you can sing. Look how cute. With the nanny. Oh, hooray. First gifts. And bunny. Oh, this is cute. Then you can add your pictures, and oh, and it has envelopes. That's good. I like that because I can make myself more envelopes, maybe like this style, which I don't have. So yeah, it will be nice. So that's it, guys, for this half ASMR, half art video. So that's it, guys, for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you so much for watching, and see you on my next video. Bye bye.